And the thing is that what we are doing, we are selling an engine. But an engine in itself, it's not that useful. You have to plug it into a car. So when a customer, when the e-commerce business, when they buy the engine, they have to take out their existing engine and swap it out for Luigi's box. It's a highly specialized job. Not everybody can do it. You need developers for that. It is expensive. So we learned the hard way that onboarding of the customers, the operation of switching the engine is very difficult. It takes a long time. You need to have that technical background. So we set out a challenge. Let's make it as easy as possible. And very specifically, let's make the customers complete it within 1 minute. Very, very challenging job. We are not still there. But let me show you how we used AI, and specifically Gen AI, how to move closer to that goal. And the resolution is terrible. I would love to show you a live demo, but it just wouldn't look usable on this display. But here is what we built. You sign up for Luigi's box. And then normally, the first step we would ask you is take this JavaScript, put it online on your site, which is a very simple step, extremely prohibitive for most of our customers. They just want to try it out. They want to see how it works without doing the extra steps, without talking to their IT somewhere. Please include this script, because it would take them a couple of days just to work around this. So the first thing we did, we built a man-in-the-middle proxy. So during the sign-up, you are able to see your website along with some of our controls, and I'm sorry about the resolution. The point is that you have fully functional website that you are familiar with, and on top of that, you are able to see the preview of the services. We are talking about search. So to see how the search looks like, we need data. There's another problem. How do you get us your data? You would need to implement API calls or provide some data feed. Not possible. We want to show you a preview very quickly. So what we did is we utilized Gen AI to detect and discover the segment and language of your website. So we understand that your website is in the electronics. You are selling electronics, or you are selling fashion. It's in Czech language. And in the background, we have generated lots and lots of demo data, different segments, different languages. So we use Gen AI, detect the language, detect the segment, and pull out demo data. So in the end, you are able to see those are not your products, but they may as well be, because they are similar to your website. On top of that, the actual product data was generated using Amazon Bedrock. We used Anthropic Claude models. On top of that, we used Stable Diffusion to generate the images. Lots of challenges there, because the product images for books are widely different than product images for electronics. But it was doable. And in the end, you have nice pictures and reasonable product data. So that was challenge one. Challenge number two, one of the, when we go back here, then one of the challenges that the customers have, how do I modify the CSS? How do I select the custom color? There's no need to. Because we make a screenshot of the website, and we set it as an input to Anthropic Claude and ask it in very simple terms, give us a color scheme which would fit the layout, the color scheme of the website. And what we get, it surprised me, it surprised us, it works quite well. So you can get a very reasonable color scheme just by asking Gen AI, give me the color scheme. And the third challenge that we had to solve was, how do we fit the actual overlays, everything into the UI, because you have to identify where is the search box. You have to disable the original autocomplete, the original search. How do you do that? That's very challenging, even for human. You have to find the right selectors. Again, we are using Gen AI, we are using Anthropic Claude, we upload the HTML and ask it, hey, where's the input box? What's the CSS selector for the input box? And it gives us that back. And it's, I wouldn't say it works 100%, let's be realistic, but it works reasonably well enough that it's actually usable. And most of our customers, they are able to complete the onboarding within 5 minutes. And that includes the full cycle of seeing the preview. Oh, hey, that's awesome. I want it live. What do I need to do? Oh, I need to include a script. OK, so I go include a script. Suddenly, what took weeks and days, they are able to complete within minutes. And that's very, I consider it a success. If you want to see more, go to luisbox.com. And you can even try it out. There's a live demo. You can input your store URL and get back, hopefully, functioning preview. If it doesn't work, AI is at fault. Thank you very much.